Welcome to my YouTube channel, fellow engineers. In this video, I'll be reviewing polynomial functions under the mathematics portion of my YouTube videos. If you have any recommendations on how I could improve future videos for you guys to obtain as much information as possible, please leave a comment down below, and let's get right into it. The quadratic equation is shown to be the second-degree polynomial equation with a single variable. A quadratic equation can be written in the form shown here, where x is the variable and a, b, and c are all constants. If a is 0, the equation is considered to be linear, which will be taken as the variable x of a quadratic equation are the two values of x that satisfy the equation, making it true. These values can be determined from the quadratic formula shown here. The radical is called the discriminant. By inspecting the discriminant, the types of roots of the equation can be determined. The discriminant, there are several types of roots of the equation that can be determined. If the discriminant is greater than 0, the roots are considered real and unequal. The scenario shows the discriminant being equal to 0. And this will represent the roots being considered to be real and equal. Scenario where the discriminant is less than the value of 0, the roots are considered complex as well as unreal. With our first example problem for this lesson, what are the roots of the quadratic equation shown here? We are given negative 5x plus 2x squared equals negative 3. Before viewing the solution later on in this video, please pause the video here to attempt to solve the problem on your own. With us looking to determine the roots of the equation shown, we must rearrange the equation in the form of a quadratic equation. This can be done by adding over the value of 3 to the left-hand side, and then rearranging the left-hand side in order to resemble ax squared plus bx plus c equaling 0. By rearranging the equation as previously done, we can then determine the variables of the a, b, and c constants, with a being assigned a value of 2, b being negative 5, and lastly c being a value of 3. The value of the three variables a, b, and c, we can now utilize the quadratic formula to determine the roots of the given equation. The quadratic formula being shown here as x equals negative b plus or minus the square root of b squared minus 4 times ac over 2a. We plug in the values. Make sure that we are aware of the variables and whether they contain a positive and or a negative sign. An error in doing so will result in an incorrect answer as a result for the two roots. Values into our calculator and compute two answers. We are able to calculate the roots to be a value of 1.5 and a value of 1. Review regarding the polynomial functions, focusing primarily on the quadratic equations. Please make sure to leave a like and subscribe if you found this video helpful in any form, and I hope to catch you guys in a future video. Have a great one.